With the ever-evolving technology of air warfare, the sixth-generation fighter jet is coming soon. There is a race between countries to create the future jet. Quoted from Air Force Technology, the United States is seen as leading the way with the next generation of air dominance NGAD program, referring to the sixth-generation manned jet as a replacement for the F-22 Raptor. The jet may begin operating in the 2030s. At least one of the 3 NGAD prototypes has flown in 2020, and the program is now in the engineering, manufacturing, and development phase. The NGAD contract is planned to be awarded to the United States Air Force in 2024. 2 companies will be rivals in the procurement, namely Lockheed Martin and Boeing, after Northrop Grumman announced that they did not bid. The USAF will only commit to one NGAD design and is estimated to spend USD $16 billion on research, development, testing, and evaluation over the next 5 years. The NGAD jet will be combined with the Collaborative Combat Aircraft (SCCA) drone, which will be awarded a separate contract. The USAF plans to buy at least 200 NGAD jets, possibly 250, and 1,000 CCAs. While the price per jet is unknown, it is likely to be in the hundreds of millions of dollars, and its operating costs will be much lower than the F-22. China is also developing its own sixth-generation fighter jet, but little is known about it. Its design suggests that China's sixth-generation jet may be tailless to avoid radar and improve performance at high speeds and long ranges. China also appears to be upgrading its J-20 fighter jet to sixth-generation specifications and is producing its sixth-generation engines domestically. Little is known about Russia's development of a sixth-generation fighter jet, the MiG-41, made by Mikoanon. It is an ambitious program aiming for first flight in 2025 and operational by 2028, capable of reaching speeds of Mach 4, carrying anti-satellite missiles and shooting down hypersonic missiles. However, with the war in Ukraine taking a toll on Russian industry, that target seems unlikely to be achieved. The MiG-41 is expected to enter service in 2035, the same time frame as other sixth-generation fighters in the world. Meanwhile, the UK unveiled the Tempest in 2018 as a future concept aircraft developed by Team Tempest, a collaboration between Team AE Systems, Rolls-Royce, Leonardo, and MBDA that has contracted more than 580 suppliers. It plans to fly an example by 2027. Another is the Global Combat Air Program, announced in 2022, which will see the UK join Italy and Japan in developing a sixth-generation fighter jet by 2035, replacing the UK and Italy's Eurofighter Typhoon and Japan's Mitsubishi F2. There is also the SCAF program to replace the French Dassault Rafale and the German and Spanish Eurofighter Typhoons. Airbus and Dassault are working together to develop a prototype that will fly in 2029. All of these programs appear to be running on a similar timescale, aiming to have their respective aircraft operational by 2035 and to completely replace fourth and fifth generation aircraft by 2040. The U.S. appears to be in the lead at this stage, but it is difficult to say where China is due to the secrecy.